How's it going, everybody? I want to post a quick follow-up video. I posted yesterday a video of me installing a ball joint in this lower A-arm here quite easily, and that led to a little bit of confusion from some people about why that was so easy. Some people thought that maybe there was an issue with the ball joint or an issue with the A-arm. That's not the case at all. It's just this is how I install ball joints. It's fast, it's easy. You don't do any damage to anything. You're not using hammers or presses or taking anything apart that doesn't need to be taken apart. Basically what I do is I will heat the A-arm up with a standard propane torch. I've been doing this professionally for 15 years. And I'm not shooting for a specific temperature. It's just kind of something you get a feel for over time. And then I'll take the ball joint, and it's actually in the freezer already. By heating up this part of the A-arm here where the ball joint goes, the hole will actually expand quite a bit, and the ball joint will shrink in the freezer. That will allow you to easily slide the ball joint into place and put the clip on it without using a hammer, without using a press, without using sockets, without even taking the A-arm off the unit. It's efficient, it's easy, it doesn't do any other damage. So, like I said, the ball joint's already in the freezer. I'm going to show you the clip I posted yesterday of this lower A-arm, and while that's going on, I'm going to heat this upper A-arm. I'll probably heat this up for 30 to 45 seconds or so, maybe even a minute with this propane torch. With MAPP gas, you wouldn't have to heat it quite as long, but I just have this little propane one here at the shop right now. So I'm going to show you that clip now, and when you get back, this will be too hot to touch. Frozen ball joint, heated A-arm, butter. This A-arm should be good and hot by now. Again, just using propane torch, it's probably been 45 seconds to a minute. This ball joint, fresh out of the freezer. This is a factory A-arm, a factory ball joint. And this is gonna just slide right in. Easy. And take your clip, set it on top. Don't touch the A-arm because it's hot. Just like that, done. Once the temperatures are equal, this ball joint will be solid in there. It's not coming out. It's the best way to do it.